Hello. As you can see on the screen, this video is going to be about AI agents. After watching this video, I guarantee you won't have to look for any other video on this topic. I'll explain you in the most simplest term what AI agents are and how you can use them to make money. So first, I want to tell you about the agenda for today's video. First of all, we'll talk about should you actually learn AI agents in 2025 or not. Second point is about the opportunities in the market, the demand for AI agents in today's world. People are paying insane amount of money to the people who actually know AI agents. Third one is actually the crux of the video. What is AI agent? Once you comprehend what AI agents are, you will have a very good understanding of where you can implement it, how you can use it for your own business, and how you can also provide services to other businesses. Where and how can you implement it. Finally, we're going to talk about how can we make money off of this opportunity. I know most of you guys want to skip to this part directly, but hang in there. Devil is in the details, so that's why you must learn the basics first before getting into advanced stuff. First, let's talk about why you should learn AI agents in 2025. The global AI market is projected to reach $1.8 trillion by 2030, growing at a 37.3% CAGR, which is compound annual growth rate. This is massive, guys. This means that businesses that invest early in AI will have a massive competitive advantage. As of now, there are two types of people. Group 1. In Group 1, there is employees, service providers, entrepreneurs, business owners, etc. And there are some other smart entrepreneurs who have already figured out the value and potential for AI agents and where it will be in upcoming years. To be honest, they are gaining the biggest edge in the market. It's like getting into the dot-com bubble in early 2000s. They know how to make AI agents work for them 24/7. It is generating income while they sleep. Even small businesses are using AI agents to handle their daily operations, from booking appointments to generating their social media content, marketing campaigns, and whatnot. But here is the good news for you guys. We are still in the early days. Think about the internet in 1995 or smartphones in 2007. The people who got early, they didn't just adapt, they got rich. And that is why the potential for this is staggering. And the people who are not moving with AI agents are stragglers who's gonna just get left behind. McKinsey predicts that AI agents will add $13 trillion to global GDP 2030. Now, 40 to 50% of working hours can be automated with the current technology. Automation services market is growing 25% year over year. We don't care about who predicts what, where it's gonna end up, how much it's gonna add to our GDP, and how many working hours it can replace. We care about only one thing, and we make money out of it today. And the answer is yes, a lot. Before getting into how we can make money off of it, I wanna explain to you what AI agents actually are. Think of AI agents like hiring the world's most reliable digital employee. It's like imagine you're hiring someone who never gets sick, never takes rest, never stops. Someone who works way faster than any human being, who costs less than minimum wage that you pay to your employees, who never faces decision fatigue and never makes emotional decisions, unlike humans who can be trained once, work for the rest of its life. That's the essence of an AI agent. Instead of a person, it's a software. Let's come to the next point. What AI agents are and how they actually work. Alright. What AI agents are and how they actually work. So AI agent is basically something that takes an input. Basically, when input enters in the AI agent, it's gathering the data from the environment and gives out the output based on these three parameters. First, its brain. Every AI agent has its brain. It provides the reasoning, comprehension, and decision making capabilities to our AI agents. They have multiple languages, they work 24/7, just like how we read email, understand what the person wants. AI agents can read, listen, comprehend requests through this element. Now, the second one is its memory. So this node right here, memory, provides the ability to store and recall past experiences, information, and other data. It retains the context that we have given through our input, recognizes patterns over time, and adapts based on the input, subsequently providing much more appropriate output. Now, the third one is tools. The tool element of AI agent refers to the functions and capabilities that extend the abilities of the AI. It allows it to interact with the external world, retrieve information, and perform specific tasks. That's the wonder of AI agent. It can make decision on its own without any human intervention. And once it learns the pattern over time with the help of its memory, it becomes more and more precise and accurate. So, how can you actually use it for business or even for other businesses and make money off of it? I've only mentioned three niches because this is what I primarily work in as an AI automation expert. In sales and marketing, it can scrape leads for you, can do cold outreach, can also qualify leads for you. It can send personalized follow-ups on the emails and so on and so forth. And in customer service, it can be very useful in terms of clients report consistent feedback. Then it also boosts relationship with our customers because the responses provided by AI agents are very quick. It doesn't have to read through every single word like humans, and it just scans the entire email, comes up with the best solution possible for the customers, and sends them a response. Social media, it can help you create content, it can help you write scripts, it can help you with organic marketing strategies. I primarily use AI agents in these industries. I mostly work with social media teams, so this is the services I have provided so far. If you want me to make video on some other topics, just comment down below and I can make videos for that. But here's the real kicker: the skills gap. There are millions of businesses that need AI agents but don't know how to build or implement them. This creates a massive opportunity for people like you and me to become the bridge. So, how can you make money off of it? So, one of the best ways I have found so far is offer AI services to other businesses. So, what you can do is become an expert in this field and provide services for your clients. And you can then create and sell AI agent templates, which you can actually just build once and sell unlimited times. Over the few coming weeks, I'm gonna show you how you can build your first AI agent step by step. Real case studies of people making money, the tools and platforms that are accessible to you, how you can find clients who need these services and pay you handsomely. This is not just another AI automation page where you will learn the technical stuff. I'm going to actually teach you how to build business with AI agents and automations.